Ready for this?
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be changing the rear tires on this baby right here. Yo, I burnt them out too much. It's been like maybe like a month of ownership that I've had it, and like the wires are already coming out and everything. Look, see it there. Oh, well, the tires that I got are the Federal Evolution ST1s. I want to try them out. I've been seeing a lot of good stuff about them, but here they are. I just got them right now, so they look really good, and I hope, you know. Well, guess what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna burn the rest of these tires and see how much smoke I can make right now. So I'm waiting for my Burnout to get here so he can help record, and we're gonna burn the rest of these tires. But how does she look? You guys haven't. It's been a little bit, but look, she's lowered. She's clean. Oh, trying to be clean. The spoiler. Woo. Oh, you guys haven't seen this. I got the red button. Looks good, and I got this little mount for my phone, but it's pretty good. I recommend it. It doesn't move. And I got some little stuff coming in that will be up in the next video. So let's do this, guys. You'll see the Burnout right now.
Sí, esta vez sí.
Was it cool? Don't touch it, hi. Ian, say hi. Was it cool? You see, look at the, come Ian, look. You see, it's for the tires. Don't touch it, Ian, don't touch it, it's dirty. Ian, so was it cool or no? Tell him, was it cool? Tell him here, Ian. Tell him right here. Tell him how cool it was.
Yes.
What is it? What was it?
He was cool. But we're doing faster.
Faster?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah.
Do it again?
Yeah.
I will do it again right now. Yo, you missed that white smoke we left. You smell it? You have good sense. Smell it. Look, smell it. Lower your window. Yeah. I did that shit. Because he started stepping on the rubber. Rev it for the vlog. Rev it, go. Step on the gas. Step on the gas, go. Let's go. Step on the... Oh yeah, just step on it once. What? Hey, oh yeah. Do it for the vlog. Not like that. Do it. Anyway, go like this, look. You say you start doing it like that, you go like this. Damn, thank you, B.
Dale.
Now to change the tires. Let's see how bad they got. They're super sticky though. go see those tires. Woo! This one wasn't that bad. Ooh, but they hot. See all that hot sticky they got. Oh shit, look. Let's turn the light. Look at that. Anyways, let's see the... Oh, look at the spring. Oh, shit. This one came out really bad. It just melted. Can't even see the thread. Hey. I just mounted and balanced the tires. They look good. Look. Let's see how long these last me. Alright guys, I got the tires mounted and balanced. I already showed you, but look how they look on. It's nighttime, but I came to a spot that's lit up. Look at that. They look really nice. I'm gonna see if I get some spacers to see maybe I bring out the wheels so it looks like, you know, more flush for now until I get some new wheels. I got big plans for the car, so, you know, subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm sorry it was short, but catch you guys next time.